Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Greg. I'm going to go over Bitcoin and some people have some questions on is it going to go down? I think it's going to go down, guys. It's just going sideways and it probably needs to come back down in this section where the longs got in. Okay, so they're in here and it's going to come down and take them out, more in my opinion. Plus, the algos are telling me that. I got downside on the 8-hour, downside here, downside on all these. On the daily, downside, 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 downside. So the longer term time frames on those are downside. And then over here, this is a 4-hour, still a little bit downside, downside, sideways action. So yeah, I do think the 28.6, 28.3, don't hold it to what number. It's not 28.3. It could be 24, 28.6, somewhere in that general area. 28.6, 28.5, somewhere right around down there, guys. I think it's going to take out this low, maybe go down to 28.6. I think is definitely going to be a target for Bitcoin, guys, and get ready for the run. Because you come here to the weekly, there's going to be within a week or two acceleration coming into Bitcoin, guys. There's acceleration right here, acceleration up here on the according to the algos in this section. Okay, so I am going to be getting ready for that high confidence trade. I think it's going to be going up. So I think it's just going to be a wait probably until the 30th of July, at least, maybe even another week beyond that, guys. It just kind of depends on how long it wants to play around in there, okay? So what I'm going to do, too, is go over Hedron. Hedron is easy, guys, okay? Now, targets, these are all tentative targets. I really don't know where this is going to end up. But what you want to do right here, I'm going to make this very simple. It's coming up. You want to see it penetrate. It's already penetrated the 9 simple moving average, penetrate now the 21. It's working on it. So this is like big pressure to it right now. So you don't want to get in. This is like a waste of time to do it right here because it could roll over real quick, right? You want to see it bust through there, get over here, and you want to see this 9 clearly get up, 9, 21.40, and make those railroad tracks all the way back up. And all you got to do is stay in it until you see the railroad tracks cross. And it'll be that's as easy as it can get. And it'll go up. That's 6, probably go higher. You could be looking at 9, even maybe even a 10x, depending on how high that spikes up there. It is a smaller cap crypto, but that's all you have to look for until it does that move. Until it makes this move out of here. I'd probably say it's got to go up probably another 30 or 40% or so. Probably about 2 more of these moves right here, at least. So you got to move there, or 1 more of those moves at least, something like that. And you'll see the railroad tracks. And then more likely it's going to be off, guys. It'll probably be a flat, and we'll get up there in beginning of October. And that's actually interesting too. I've been looking at the time on Bitcoin here too. It looks like, according to the higher time frame charts, down here, boom, 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 beginning of October. Beginning of October, and a massive correction is going to be coming, guys. So these are some of the details that I'll be going over a little bit more in detail on in the Discord once I have it ready. I'm still working on it a little bit. Got somebody working on it. Into those details. So you'll be selling the top, within reason at the top, not the exact top on Bitcoin, and you'll be going with the trend. I can assure you with that. So, and not losing a bunch of money. So I can assure you that too. Well, if you're trading, that's a different story. But if you're looking for lows to buy on Bitcoin and highs to sell on Bitcoin, I can assure you I could be within 10% on the bottoms and the top. So 10% down here, what would that be? Let's see. 17,000. I would say 10 or 15%, and then 10 or 15% up here, guys. Okay. So, and then you get the meat of the move, on a move like that. So on this section, if you're going to do a short, it's going to be a short down if perhaps it's going to do that. I'm going to discuss more of what I think is going on here in my Discord. I think the market is going to be in for a surprise here in 2024. That's my opinion. If you made it all the way to the end, do me a huge favor, drop a like, hit the subscribe button. Peace.